ये हाय गाइस, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू माई अनदर व्लॉग। सो गाइस, अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ दीवा, मेरे मॉम के स्कूल में जा रहा हूँ एक्चुअली। वहाँ पे अभी बच्चों लोग ने ना साइंस एग्जीबिशन किया है। जो बच्चों लोग ने ये नए नए क्रिएटर्स जो बनाए, उन लोग ने जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन में उन्होंने अभी प्रेजेंट किया है। तो गाइज मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि है ना वो सब चीज़ देखने के लिए। तो गाइज अभी मैं यहाँ से अभी निकलता हूँ, मैं आपको डायरेक्ट वहाँ पे मिलता हूँ गाइज। तो गाइज ब्लॉग पूरा देखना। और गाइज बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत करके बनाया, और मैं आपको इतना ही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि गाइज उनको मोटिवेट कीजिए, उनको कमेंट्स, आप कमेंट्स तो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कीजिए उनके लिए, कि उनको आगे फ्यूचर के लिए ग्रो अप करने के लिए। तो गाइज मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि वहाँ पे जाने के लिए। और गाइज
Good afternoon, teachers and parents. My name is Janvi Shivaji Parekh. I am third standard. My activity name Apple Activity. Three bowls and one bowl is the water and one bowl is the lemon juice and one bowl is the honey. And girls is the wine parents and teachers. Yeah, I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is Gunjan Pan Vidyalaya. My activity name is excretory system. The human body is the complex system made its functioning relates to the life processing. Unfortunately, and so most limited us. This is excretory is the product animation. Good afternoon. Welcome to Education. I am 4th standard. My project name is Rainwater Harvesting Model. My school name is Gunjalpal Vidyalaya. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of rainwater. Rainwater is collected for a rural surface and redirected. Good afternoon. So my name is Riddhi Sharma. My school name is Gunjalpal Vidyalaya. I am studying in standard 6 and drip irrigation. Drip irrigation helps us to give plants water. Plants से पानी पाइप में आता है, पाइप के द्वारा इन सब प्लांट्स को खेती करते हैं। Good morning, sir, ma'am, all of you. My school name is Gunjalpal Vidyalaya. My name is Sarika Venison. I am 4th standard. My model name is water dispenser. This is my water dispenser. Water is very important, and without there is good afternoon all of you. My name is Anand Jitendra. I am 4th standard. My model name is ATM machine. ATM machine is used without electronic power. ATM machine perform anytime money and automatic teller machine that use for making finance class.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Rahul Chaurasia. This is an automatic hand sanitizer. This is a device working with sensor. Hold sensor hand came after.
Good morning, respected sir and madam. We made this machine named water dispenser. Water dispenser is known as a water cooler. It is a machine that cools up and heats up a Sir, I am from 10th standard and this is a model of human skin. This is a adipose tissue. It is commonly known as a body fat, and it is produced and it is found all over the body, and it is made from the fatty cells and connective tissue. And this is a subcutaneous layer. It is the deepest layer of the skin, and it is made from the connective tissue. And this is a sweat glands. When Wheeler's layer, and this is epidermis layer, and this is all over this is all over what we can see in our skin. It's all that.
Good afternoon, welcome to Science Exhibition. Our project name is Kidney Working Model. We are from 9th standard. In two bean shaped of kidney are situated in the one on either side of vertebral. Good afternoon, sir. We are from 9th standard. Myself, Shalini Vishwakarma.
Myself, Bharati Rajput.
Myself, Angel Bhatia. On this occasion of science exhibition, we have made the model of a blood circulation in heart, and now Bhagyashree is going to explain.
The pulmonary artery is a big artery that comes from the heart. It splits into two chambers. It splits into the two chambers from the heart to the lungs. At the lungs, the blood picks up the oxygen.
Muscular organ which constantly pushes the oxygen-rich blood to the brain and extremities and transport the oxygen-poor blood from brain and extremities to lung to gain oxygen. The blood comes into the right atrium from our body moves in. We have tried to show this using pipes and balloons that this is the blood is circulating.
Sir, my name is Shashvi Vinay Singh. I am 6th standard. My model name is Candy Dispenser. Candy Day celebrate on 4th February. Kids love candy. When we push it falling down candy.
Good morning, respected sir. This is your project and its name an electric hand sanitizer machine. Our school name is at Gujjapal Vidyalaya and we are from 9th standard. As we know that in this time of corona, the sanitizer is very useful. From seeing this reason, we made this machine. To make this machine, we used some cardboard, silver foil paper, light, battery, etc. To use this machine, first of all, keep your hand on this surface and press it. The sanitizer in this bottle will come on your hand through this straw. This is happening because of some scientific reason. The reason is we are attached two silver foil paper to the battery. As we know that silver foil paper are good conductor of electricity. Therefore, the current come from the battery will pass the silver foil paper and then reach the pumper. If the silver foil paper are not attached to the battery, the currents come from the battery will not pass the silver foil paper and our machine will not work properly. And the second reason is when we press the surface, only this time the light will burn. This is happening because we are attached battery under the surface and joined the light of cable to the battery. Therefore, when we press the surface, the currents of the battery move toward the light cable and our light start burning. Thank you.
Sanjali Prajapati. I am from 10th standard. So I have made the Li-Fi project. Actually, Li-Fi technology is used to communicate between two devices. Li-Fi is a wireless communication between two devices, which utilizes lights to transmit data. As when we plug in this wire in the phone, the data in the phone transferred to the light, and the light through hits the data on solar panel. The solar panel gives energy to the speaker.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sijanjan. I am from 7th standard. My project name is water pollution. People bath in the water and pollute the water, and then they take the water in their home, and the water get polluted and goes to in the river, lakes, and the water get polluted. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My school name is Gujjapal Vidyalaya. I am from 7th standard. My model name is Solar Power Irrigation System, and my name is Sejal Jitendra Singh. The supply of electricity is not reached up to every village. Solar energy is the most abundant source of energy in the world. Solar-based irrigation system are rated for common.
Good morning, sir. My name is Suraj Thakur, and we are from 8th standard, and our school name is Gujjapal Vidyalaya. My project name is respiratory of system. Respiratory of system is the respiring begin with the nose. Air is filtered with the help of hair and muscles with the present in the nose. Thank you.
My school name is Kunjalpal Vidyalaya. My name is Ketan Vijay Pandey. I am making water purifier. I have purified water slowly into filter with holding it our colored container. Make Suresha white or clear the colored container. Purify water slowly.
I am Ankit Sekar from class 8 standard, class 8 and Kunjalpal Vidyalaya. First you want to take the baking soda and put inside the glass like this in a big quantity. After this you want to put the oil inside this like this, and after this you want to mix vinegar and food color in the bowl and mix it with this type of, and after mixing you will see the reaction. It reacts with baking soda to make carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide in this bubbles, and when it in the surface it will puff and it will sink in the back of the bottom of the glass. It is like how is this possible? Because of the reacting with the baking soda and vinegar colored with food color, it will possible at lava lamp. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Shatul Chaudhary and he is my partner Sumit Dharmendra Jaiswal. I am explain the water wheel. Water wheel is divided into advantages of a flowing arrow falling into the generator, water into the generator powered by the help of the pedals. Your project's name is sewage treatment plant. The first chamber is receiving chamber. The process of participation of these chambers. The first start from these chambers. The dirty water from these chambers water insert go out this chamber. The second chamber is screening and grid chamber. The sources of particulars of this substance for lights. Garbage for and plastic from separate to the water. And third chamber is skimming tank. The skimming tank has process that's the metals for like oil, fats, grasses, reach and remains on the.
Fourth chamber is primary sedimentation tank. In this chamber the dirt which are not removed properly in grid chamber, they are removed from in this chamber. The fifth chamber is sedimentation tank. In this chamber biological organic matter are removed from water. Seventh chamber is secondary sedimentation tank. In this chamber the scum are removed from the water. Filtration chamber. In this filtration chamber.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vidya Shastri. I am in 6th standard. And my school name is Kunjalpal Vidyalaya. My project name is Fluid Resistance. When we balloon in the water flows like our diaphragm, strong muscle that expands and contracts to cause your lungs to fill with air and then empty out again. The movements of the balloon matches our breathing. When we breathe in, our lungs will fill with air and then empty out again. Just like the balloon inside the bottle. Thank you.
I am 6th standard. My partner name is Sahil Dilip Gupta. My project is spinning art. My project is to make the model for spinning color art. We need paper, motor and some color. First,
My name is Aditi. I am from 8th standard and this is my project. Stethoscope is an instrument used by doctors and other medical people. It is used to listen to people's heartbeats and their breathing. It is placed on the area where is the heart. The sound detecting device has a thin plastic layer and on the other side it has a bell shape with a hole in the other eye.
my name is Kirti Kamlesh Gupta. My model name is Newton's disc. न्यूटन डिस्क एक रंगीन डिस्क है जिसे समान अनुपात में सफेद प्रकाश प्रकाश यानी नीला, पीला, हरा, लाल, गुलाबी, नारंगी, बैंगनी, इंडिगो. Good afternoon, sir and teacher. My name is Preeti Singh. My school name is Kunjalpal Vidyalaya. I am studying for standard 7. My name is Preeti Singh. She is my partner. Her name is Aradhana Singh. I am a car. When the three object moon is between the earth and the moon, the sunlight and from.
Good afternoon, sir. This is my project on event of science exhibition. My name is Kajal Tiwari. This is my project. My project name is Periscope. So we will take a look on our project. This is the periscope. Periscope is the object that uses the system of lens of mirror to reflect image. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kajal Tripathi and she is my partner Sneha Batavle. And our topic for science exhibition is water filter. First we are adding the cotton, second sand and the charcoal. We are adding water and the water gets clean. Thank you. Sir, my name is Aditi Pandey. I am from Standard 10 and I am studying in Kunjalpal Vidyalaya. My topic for science exhibition is a 3D printer. 3D printer means three-dimensional printer. This which we can use to print tools and architecture sculpture. This is an filament wire. This is the filament plastic wire. This is hot end and this is hot end. This is extruder. And this is printing display. This is printing display and this is extruder. This is hot bed. And this is hot end where the plastic comes. Hot end. And this is cooling fan. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Shreya Gupta. I am studying in Kunjalpal Vidyalaya and my standard is 10th standard. Here is my waterizing experiment. Let me show you. So,
this is a projector and this one is transparent lens. They have
Hello, Namaste everyone. Under the flag of Gunjan Memorial Trust, this is our Gunjan Pal Vidyalaya to promote science amongst the students, science ability, science attitudes among the students. Our school has organized science exhibition. Among this, our all students, means maximum students have participated, and we have seen very new science experiment and scientific gadgets we have seen. Our students have done very well, and I thanks to my students as well as I appreciate to my staff, and I will thanks to our trustee member and management of Gunjan Memorial Trust. Thank you very much.
सो गाइज मैं अभी आया एक शांत से रूम में क्योंकि बाहर बहुत क्राउड है क्योंकि बच्चे लोग एंजॉय करें और स्कूल का तो लाइक आपको पता है गाइज कि देखो ब्लैक बोर्ड है, अटेंडेंस है, तो सब दिन मुझे याद है। और बेंचेस देखो, वो सब बेंचेस देखे मुझे याद है। एक्चुअली गाइज मेरा आने का मकसद ये था कि ना साइंस एग्जीबिशन था क्योंकि बच्चों लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से बनाया और मेहनत करके बनाया, क्योंकि वो मेहनत ही उनका फूल पड़ा। तो गाइज़ आपको अच्छा लगा रहेगा तो प्लीज़ गाइज़ कमेंट करके बताओ कि बच्चों को थोड़ा मोटिवेट कीजिए, क्योंकि बच्चों लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, ब्लॉग देख रहे हैं गाइज़, देखो बच्चे लोग देखें। सो गाइज़ अभी बच्चे लोग हम लोग मिलेंगे, तो बाहर जाके हम लोग मिलेंगे। तो अभी प्राइज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होने वाला है, अभी सब प्रिंसिपल्स आने वाले, प्रिंसिपल्स और मैम आने वाले, सब टीचर स्टाफ्स। तो अभी सब जाके हम लोग प्राइज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को एंजॉय करेंगे। आप भी देखिए प्राइज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंजॉय कीजिए और आपका स्कूल का जर्नी भी याद कीजिए। सो गाइस लेट्स गो। सो ऑलराइट गाइज मैं अभी ब्लॉग एंड कर रहा हूँ। अभी मेरे पीछे सब स्टूडेंट है जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन में सब लोग थे, गुंजन पाल के सब। सो गाइज अभी मैं ब्लॉग एंड कर रहा हूँ। गाइज प्लीज़ कीजिए, उनको मोटिवेट दीजिए। तो गाइज ब्लॉग एंड करने का टाइम हो गया है, तो क्या बोलने का है? सो गाइज जरूर कीजिए। सो गाइज मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में।